Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is all about a quick unboxing. I went out and I got myself a brand new wireless charger from one of my favorite companies to buy things from, being as I have almost everything else that they have. I have their wallet, this is bicarb. I also have their phone case. I have a couple of wristbands, and now I just added one of their wireless chargers to my inventory. So let's go ahead and check that out because it's been sitting on my desk for a few hours and I want to start using it, okay? So this here is a wireless charger. It comes in this nice little canvas bag. The contents of this bag are as follows. They did include a fast charger, so that is nice and convenient. Now I just have another one of those. Their story, how to find them on social media. And then last but not least, I think, is the charger itself. It did come with a USB-C cable, which is much appreciated. Now I can add this to my collection. And then inside here, this is the wireless charger itself. Here is the charger. And it does have a little bit of weight to it, which makes it feel really nice. It's a nice aluminum casing all around, and it's connected by USB-C, which is really nice. It makes it super portable in case if I'm going traveling and just need to take this somewhere with me. Over here on the back, you can see their company logo along with their name. And I'm digging the colors too. So the way that they designed theirs is that I am the only one now who has this particular cut and color. And it's really nice getting this in today. Their customer service was amazing. So this is it here in case of you just want to check out the detail on there. And again, I am the only one who has the case with this particular pattern and color and everything, because they are sold out immediately once you buy it. The same goes for their wallet. So this is the one that I had chosen, and it was a bit of a darker blue, a little bit hard to match them up, but you do your best. It's a nice aluminum, the same type of aluminum that I see here on the wireless charger, and it also has an elastic band here. This way I can put cash and receipts and everything like that too. It's about as big so that I can hold a few credit cards. Boom. Here I just wanted to show you guys how it works with certain USB-C type cables. So using a USB-C to USB-A cable of any kind, it does work just as normal, as you can see here in this demonstration. But on the other hand, when I do disconnect it and use a USB-C to USB-C cable, nothing happens. Tried it with a couple of different products, and with a couple of different cables of the same connection type. But it works just fine when I use the USB-C to USB-A cable. So keep that in mind when you are using this product, to have those cables handy. And when you are connecting the cable to the charger, you'll see that there are some LED lights that light up to show you that it is getting power. But again, nothing happens with the USB-C to USB-C cable. And the bank does have plenty of power to supply. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, as it was fun for me to make it. So now I actually get to start using all this stuff once again. Let me know in the comments below which ones were some of your favorites, if you're thinking about picking up any of this stuff too. I'll put a link to the website down below, this way you can check out their inventory. It changes on a daily basis. Everything has their own individual names since they're all one of a kind anyway. So once you buy it, that's it, it's sold out and you're the only one that has it, which is kind of nice. If you haven't already had a chance to subscribe to this channel, this way you can see all the other awesome videos that I'm working on. There have been a lot. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, so this has been really, really fun. Like the video too, share it with friends and family. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. Later.